Obviously, the hype and the headlines aren't the end-all be-all. So let's find out, since the market didn't crash in 2023, what's going on and what should be your next move. Last year, a number of housing experts thought home prices were going to crash in 2023, and those forecasts made a lot of people unsure about the strength of the housing market. As this data from Fannie Mae shows, last December, thanks to those expert forecasts, a large percentage of Americans thought prices were going to go down over the next 12 months. And as a result, people were a little hesitant about buying or selling homes as they entered 2023. However, confidence in the home prices has slowly improved this year since they didn't crash like some experts thought. In fact, nationally, there was only a small dip in prices during the second half of last year, and they've already bounced back this year as home values are on the rise again. So don't let these headlines about home prices mislead you. Believe it or not, the housing market is stronger than you think. If you want to know what's really happening with prices in the local area, let's connect.